How to use FreshBooks accounting for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back. This simple walkthrough will teach you how to use FreshBooks to manage your finances like a beginner boss. So make sure to watch up till the end for you to learn all the steps. So without further ado, let's get started. First is to go to their website and then click the try it free button up here and log into your email and your password, or sign up with Google or with Apple. After that, you are going to provide your first name, your last name, and where are you located, your phone number, and how did you hear about this FreshBook. After that, you are going to provide the company's name and what does your business do. So you have to choose among this type of industries right here, whether you're in architecture or in education, and then you're going to describe your business. So it may be launching soon or it's a part-time, and then you're going to put your estimated revenue and how long does it take to complete your services. So it can be less than a week, more than a month, and just continue answering this one, and then once you're done, just click the button of the save and finish. So after all of those things, it will be loaded now or redirect to the homepage of the FreshBooks. So this is your dashboard, and what we have here is the central hub where you can get an at-a-glance overview of your business financial health. So it provides the key metrics, visual summaries, and quick access to essential tools, making it easy for business owners to stay on top of their business. So to create a new client, retainer, invoice, you can just click this button or go with this section. So we're going to the Clients tab. So you can add new client here, just click this button. And now you have to provide their first name, last name, company name, their email address, and their phone number. This is where you all manage your client-related information and interaction, and it serves as the central location to organize client details, and you can track activity and ensure smooth communication and billing processes. So once you provide all of these things, you can actually send reminders. So if you click this one, you can automatically send payment reminders for this client, and then charge late fees. You can also choose a currency and language, and then add a option for invoice. And then once you're done, just click the save button. And there you go, you already added your first new client. And if you scroll it all down, you will all see the clients right here. And once we go to Estimates tab, we can now create a new estimate or a new proposal. So if you're going to create a estimate, you need to provide these things. So here we have to drag our logo right here, and we have to select the client and the estimated date. Now this allows us to create, send, and manage price quotes or proposals for your clients before starting a project or delivering a service. So it's a great way to provide transparency about cost, outline, and the scope of your work, and get client approval before moving forward. And you can also customize this. You can change its color. You can also change its font. And then here we can edit the cost right here. So just click add a line and you have to enter the item name and then the rate and then the quantity, and it will automatically give us the total of it. So for example, here editing and then the price, and I'm going to select for quantity. So once you're done, you can actually save this one, or you can click the send to. So moving forward, we have here the invoices. So just click the new invoice up here to create a new one. And then it's same as the estimates. So same format. What's the difference here is we can add the payment methods. So they accept Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so much for that. We also have here the payments section where it enables us to accept online payments from your clients quickly and securely. So it streamlines the payment process by offering multiple options for clients to pay their invoices, making it more convenient and ensuring faster payment cycles. So we also have here the invoice payments, checkout link payments, and then the other income. And here is the expenses tab. You can add new expenses right here. Just click this one. And then now you are going to provide the category. So for example, it is for gas or for repairs or vehicle licensing. So for example, this is for printing and I'm going to add the merchant. You can also drag the image of the receipt. So you can select a file, and then here you are going to assign a client for this one. And here is if you want to make it recurring, if you want to repeat this expense automatically. So we also have here the projects. So this is where you can be able to find all of your projects. You can create flat rate project or hourly project. So this is how it looks like. Just put the project name, the end date, the flat rate, and the total hours, and you can also add services. We also have here the project type, estimate type, and you can set cost rates and set expense markup. We also have here the time tracking, which is a valuable tool for business that needs to track how much time they spend on a client's project, task, or billable activities. So you can add a client or project and then add a service. You can also add notes and then how long you've done that. So once you're done with all of those things, you can check the button right here. So it is marked unbilled. You can edit this one. And here we also have accounting side and also the reports section. And then that's it, guys. I hope this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.